Butternut squash contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. It's also a good source of folate, which is important for cell growth and development. Furthermore, it provides dietary fiber that can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Butternut squash is packed with vitamins A and C, which are good for your immune system. It's also a good source of fiber and potassium. Plus, it's low in calories and fat. Garlic can help boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Tahini is a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber.